Hey, it's Yesenia, and I'm back reviewing Vinci hair colors. Vinci reached out to me after they saw my last video reviewing that terrible dye that melted my hair, the pink L'Oreal one, and they asked me if I would review their dye, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be reviewing their DVS 13 turquoise blue extreme long-lasting vibrant hair color. And I'm really excited because I'm getting tired of this like faded out blonde look, just because like I don't know, it's a mess. I'm hoping that this will cover that up, and if it's uneven, I'm expecting that just because my hair cut, like the base is uneven right now. So we're gonna see how that looks. And the nice thing about this product is that it's made with argan oil, so it's supposed to be really protective of my hair. When they reached out to me, they did tell me that if I want more of a pastel look instead of something super bright, for me to dilute it with their conditioner, which they also sent me, so I am gonna do that. Okay, so as you can see, it is still super bright, even though I diluted it like a lot. The good thing about this dye, some parts are kind of green. I don't know if that's because my hair was super yellow beforehand, but it doesn't look bad. So the good thing about this dye is that, first off, it didn't burn while it was on my scalp like most dyes do. My hair doesn't feel fried afterwards. It's still really soft. I even put in some leave-in conditioner afterwards, but before that, it was still pretty good. It didn't stain it wasn't that hard to get like the stains on my head off, so I'm going to let it dry, then I'm going to style it and see how it comes out. It's darker on the bottom. That's on me for not mixing enough definite, so you can see like how dark it would be if I didn't dilute it enough. Versus like up here where I diluted it, I guess a little too much, but okay, so this is the final look. Underneath is a little bit darker, but that's probably, and underneath my hair like was originally lighter too, so it's probably just because like it was more concentrated, and on top like I missed, or I didn't like put as much as I should have on some areas, so I'm just gonna go over it again later on, but it looks pretty good. So yeah, like even like right here, it's more like a little bit faded, but remember I did mix a lot of conditioner to dilute it. So looks really good. I am fairly impressed. So I just want to say once again, thank you to Vinci Hair Colors for sending me these hair dyes and having me try them out. I really did like them, and Honestly, like, I would recommend this over Splat because the colors are so vibrant, and this is after diluting it a lot. Like, it's supposed to be even brighter, but it was like half conditioner, half of the dye. So yeah, it was really good. I would check out their colors. They have a lot of like really vibrant colors, and then now you know, like, if you want to have a more of a pastel color, you can put more conditioner in, mix it up, and it'll give you that. Go ahead and like this video if it helped you out. Comment below like if you ended up trying the dye, and then if you like it. I'll probably have, like, in my next video you'll see I'll probably have like redone some of the parts that are a little lighter. But yeah, so like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Catch you later, alligator. I'm sorry, I'm taking that out. Bye.